Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the David Varadi Oscillator. All right, so let us start by adding the indicator to our chart. All right, the David Varadi Oscillator. Now, as you can see, this is an oscillator, okay, obviously, and it is being displayed in a separate indicator window. Now, what you're going to notice is that the indicator oscillates, from top to bottom above the zero level, right? You're going to see a zero level here. It moves between 0 and 100. Now, when the indicator approaches the 100 level, it is a sign of, a possible overbought situation, all right? And then when it approaches the zero level, it's a sign of a possible oversold situation. In addition to that, you're going to notice that when the indicators paints this red shaded area close to the 100 zone, it's a sign that a sell move is about to happen. Now, in addition to that, the indicator is going to paint this, sell signal here, and that is a sign to sell. Okay, but make sure that you always get your confirmations first before executing the trade. Now, you will see that when this signal appeared, there was actually a sell move. When the signal appeared here, there was just a pullback, right? And that is also the reason why it's always advisable to trade in the direction of the trend. So since we have a bullish trend here, ideally, I would have recommended only taking buy trades. Now we can see here when the indicator came close to the zero level, we had this shaded green area, which is a sign that bullish move is about to happen. And in addition to that, you can see the appearance of the green signal there, right? The green signal giving you a sign to buy, right? So if you had bought here, you can see how the price went all the way up to this point. These ones were just mere pullbacks because this trend is bullish. All right, so I will recommend that you buy in a bullish trend and you sell in a bearish trend. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.